Hey everybody, welcome back to another Trading Collective video. My name's CJ, and today we're going to be going over a regression trend tool here on TradingView. So I'm going to show you guys where it is and how to use it, and what the benefits are of using it. So we're just looking at a 1 hour chart of the VIX, and this is on the Heikin-Ashi candles, and we're going to be grabbing the regression trend tool. So if you look at my mouse over here, you'll see there's a drop down all the way here at the bottom. You can hit the star, and where you're seeing a flash here at the top, it will stick it. But anyways, click the regression trend. Now what we're doing here is we're trying to encapsulate movement overall. So I'll show you what it looks like. So from here to here, we're capturing the uptrend of the VIX. Now, it's very easy to go in and change your colors and change your styles so you can make it a little easier to see. But the important thing here with the regression trend is seeing and finding out where it likes to bottom out. All it is just two trend lines that snap to one another, and when you're seeing it break out, such as here, the candle didn't necessarily build above, so it fell back within its regression trend and started kind of defining this. Now when you're seeing it here, it's breaking out of its overall regression trend, and then it's beginning a new trend, a new downtrend, we'll say, when it starts to level back off there to there. Now, there's no real right way to do this, and there's no real wrong way to do this. All you're trying to do is gauge the movement and see where it is kind of trading within. And you're just trying to encapsulate the trend so it's visually more presentable. So you guys can build supports and resistances based upon, it might be a little more noticeable when it's, within here. You're starting to see certain things, and yeah, that's just a regression trend tool, and that's how you use it. It's a pretty easy tool, and it's a way that you can define and visualize the trends a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again, guys.